What are you doing?
You don't remember me? Take off your pants.
Okay.
I want you to tell everybody what you did.
Whoa.
Do you remember my name? I said, do you remember my name? Do you remember my name?
Cassandra, come on, we're too far here to go.
What? Babe, is it true?
Now, should we treat women as independent agents, responsible for themselves? Of course. But being responsible has nothing to do with being raped. Women don't get raped because they were drinking or took drugs. Women do not get raped because they weren't careful enough. But women get raped because someone raped them.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, baby. Can I take this off?
No, you're fine, you're okay.
Okay.
I'm sure you're going to love this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yes. You're right. Yes, you're right. There? Yes. You're ready?
I'm ready.
Sure. Ta-da!
Wow, what's this?
This is our future. Yeah, I know it still needs some work, but yeah, this is where I want us to grow old and raise our kids from.
You know, I always wanted a big place where I can plant sunflowers.
No. You're sorted. Yeah, I mean, I wanted it done before our wedding, but yeah, come, let me take you around.
Sorry, it's work stuff.
But I'm still explaining.
I'm sorry, I have to take this. Oh my goodness.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Hey. Who are you? This is a private property.
private property. Who is she? Another one. You don't remember me?
No, I don't.
Take a look.
Yeah, I don't know you.
We had an affair.
Come on, I don't date girls like you.
We had moments like this.
Come on, stop. My wife is right out there. What are you doing?
You don't remember me?
Remember what? I don't know you.
You don't remember what you did? Take off your pants.
No.
Take off your pants.
Okay. Hey, come on.
Okay, help me print the work. I'll pass by and pick it.
I want you to tell everybody what you did.
What did I do?
Or else
Oh.
I will cut them off. Tell everyone what you did.
What did I do?
I want you to tell everyone what you did.
Whoa.
Okay, make sure that all the printed work is delivered by tomorrow, because next week I'm off for my wedding preparations. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Baby! Baby! What's this? Baby, is it true?
I'm done, so can you let me go?
Jude, do you remember my name? I said, do you remember my name? Do you remember my name?
Cassandra, come on, we're too far here to go.
What? Babe, is it true?